Do your hands ever tingle at night? Like tiny pins and needles crawling under your skin? Or maybe your legs feel weak when you stand up, almost as if they can't carry you anymore? If you're over 60, this is more than just getting older, and the surprising fix might already be sitting in your fruit basket. Here's the truth. Tingling hands, numb fingers, or legs that feel like jelly aren't random. They're warning signals from your body. Many seniors brush it off, thinking it's just arthritis, poor circulation, or maybe even sleeping the wrong way. But ignoring it can make things worse. Imagine dropping a glass of water because your grip suddenly weakens, or losing balance while walking to the kitchen because your legs feel shaky. These aren't small inconveniences. They chip away at your independence, your confidence, and your quality of life. What's really happening? As we age, the collagen in our body, the protein that keeps our joints flexible, our blood vessels strong, and our nerves supported, begins to break down. Without enough collagen, circulation suffers, nerves misfire, and muscles weaken. That's when tingling, numbness, and weakness show up. But here's the good news. You don't need expensive treatments or miracle pills. Nature gave us powerful tools. Fruits that are packed with the nutrients your body craves to rebuild collagen, restore circulation, and bring strength back to your hands and legs. So the big question is, can simple fruits really fight tingling hands and weak legs? Yes, certain fruits are loaded with vitamin C, antioxidants, and natural compounds that boost your body's collagen production and support nerve and muscle health. And when you eat them the right way, they become a daily medicine for your body. Safe, delicious, and powerful. Today, I'll share 6 collagen-rich fruits you can add to your diet, starting tomorrow to fight tingling, rebuild strength, and feel younger from the inside out. 1. Oranges, the vitamin C powerhouse. Let's start with a classic, oranges. You probably already know they're high in vitamin C, but here's why that matters. Vitamin C is like the spark plug for collagen. Without it, your body simply can't make collagen. For seniors, this is critical. Studies show that low vitamin C is directly linked to weak connective tissues, slower wound healing, and nerve sensitivity, all the things behind tingling and weakness. The best part? Just 1 medium orange a day covers your full vitamin C needs. You can enjoy it as fresh slices, in a smoothie, or even as orange segments tossed into a salad. The key is consistency. Imagine it as your daily refill for the body's collagen bank account. 2. Kiwi, small fruit, big benefits. Next up, the kiwi. This fuzzy little fruit often gets overlooked, but it actually contains more vitamin C than an orange. Plus, it's rich in antioxidants that fight inflammation around nerves. Think about it. When your nerves are inflamed, they misfire, leading to that tingling, prickling sensation in your hands and feet. Kiwi helps calm that storm. Here's a quick tip. Slice a kiwi in half, scoop it with a spoon, and eat it first thing in the morning. It's an easy way to wake up your body with collagen support. And for those who struggle with constipation, another common senior problem, kiwi S-fiber gives you a gentle, natural fix. 3. Papaya, the gentle healer. Now, let's talk papaya. This fruit is packed with vitamin C and also contains an enzyme called papain. Papain helps your body digest proteins and absorb nutrients more efficiently, which means your collagen-building nutrients actually get used, not wasted. Papaya is also soothing on the stomach and improves circulation. If your legs feel heavy or weak, poor blood flow could be the reason. Papaya helps keep your arteries flexible and your blood moving freely, so oxygen actually reaches your muscles. Want an easy idea? Blend papaya chunks with a little lime juice for a refreshing drink. Seniors in tropical regions swear by this combo for daily vitality. 4. Strawberries, sweet collagen boosters. Who doesn't love strawberries? Beyond their sweetness, strawberries are one of the richest sources of vitamin C and manganese, another nutrient vital for collagen formation. What makes strawberries especially powerful is their antioxidants. They protect your cells from oxidative stress, which accelerates collagen breakdown. So, in simple terms, strawberries don't just help you make collagen, they also protect the collagen you already have. Imagine a handful of strawberries with your breakfast oatmeal, or blended into a smoothie with yogurt. It's like giving your body an armor shield every morning. 5. Avocado, the creamy superfood. Avocados might not be the first fruit you think of for collagen, but they're secretly one of the best. They're loaded with healthy fats, vitamin E, and vitamin C, all crucial for protecting skin, nerves, and joints. Here's the magic. Vitamin E helps reduce oxidative stress on nerves. If your tingling hands are linked to nerve damage, avocados help protect and repair those nerve cells. Combine that with their collagen-supporting nutrients, and you've got a fruit that works from multiple angles. You can spread avocado on toast, add it to salads, or just eat slices with a sprinkle of salt. Think of it as creamy medicine for your nervous system. 6. Guava, the collagen champion. And finally, guava. This fruit doesn't get nearly enough credit. Gram for gram, guava has one of the highest vitamin C contents of any fruit, almost 5 times that of an orange. But here's where it gets exciting. Guava also contains zinc, another key nutrient your body uses to stitch collagen fibers together. Zinc is often missing in senior diets, and without it, collagen production slows dramatically. So if you want to give your body a real collagen surge, guava is your champion fruit. Eat it raw with a sprinkle of chili salt, or juice it for a refreshing drink. Either way, your body will thank you. Now, you might be wondering, do I need to eat all 6 fruits every day? Not at all. Start small. Choose 2 to 3 of these fruits and rotate them through your week. Consistency is far more important than quantity. Another tip, pair these fruits with a source of protein, like yogurt, nuts, or eggs. Protein provides the amino acids, while fruits provide the collagen boosters. Together, they create the perfect recipe for stronger hands, legs, and nerves. So the next time your hands tingle or your legs feel weak, don't just brush it off as old age. Reach for one of these fruits. Every bite is a step toward stronger nerves, better circulation, and a healthier, more independent you. If you found this video helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of seniors taking control of their health, one simple step at a time. And make sure you watch my next video, where I reveal the top 7 vegetables seniors should never eat if they want to stay strong and energized. Trust me, you don't want to miss that. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these fruits are already part of your diet? And which one are you excited to try first? Drop your answer in the comments, because your story might inspire someone else to take the first step toward healing.